If you want to make Mexican red rice with no artificial flavors or MSG, you're gonna need a cup of white rice, and we're gonna rinse it right now until the water comes out clear. This will help so it doesn't stick together. We're gonna need a strainer, that way we can reuse the water for watering the plants. And now the water comes out clear, so we're gonna let it dry on the strainer. Just let most of the liquid come out. And we're gonna let the frying pan heat up before we add the oil. Now the frying pan is ready, we're gonna add the oil. And we're gonna let the oil heat up. Now we're gonna add the rice. We're gonna expand it on this side. You're gonna stir often, then very slowly, that way you don't break the rice. If it sticks, just keep pressing until it becomes soft. It's because of the water, but then comes off very easy. Then just spread it over again and let it dry for a little bit more. This is medium heat, and while the rice is getting ready, we're gonna add 2 tomatoes, a quarter of an onion, and a clove of garlic. We're gonna add very little water. How the rice is going. It's almost ready. It's gonna start looking like roasted, like right here, and then you're gonna hear like sand, like it scratches the frying pan. Now it's ready. You can see the rice looks like roasted. We're gonna add the tomato paste. And in order for it not to have any artificial ingredients, we're gonna need a homemade chicken broth, and we're gonna need twice as much. So we are using 1 cup of rice, we're gonna use 2 cups of chicken broth. The chicken broth needs to be hot, so we're gonna add 2 cups. And 2. Once it starts boiling like this, we're gonna cover it, and we're gonna place the heat in low, the very low, and we're gonna leave it, and we're gonna let it cook in low heat. Now we're gonna check and see if it's ready. If there's no liquid, it's ready. And there's no liquids. Now we're gonna turn it off. And now we're gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna try it. Now we're gonna try the red Mexican rice. I'm gonna have it with some chicken soup. I already have the recipe how to make it. Let's see how it tastes. My friends, this recipe, you don't need any artificial flavors to make it taste really good. This is always a side dish, but still tastes really good. I'm gonna try it with the chicken. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new recipes like this. Easy and delicious. Thank you and have a good day. See you next time.